Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This will be the next video in our beginner series. In the last 4 videos, we have looked through the different stitches that we use in say crocheting projects. So I will just give a visual comparison of how each stitches, when we do 4 rows of each stitches, this is how it will look. This is 4 rows done using a single crochet, and tutorial to the single crochet video will be provided in the description box. This is how a double crochet, these are also 4 rows, but the stitch used over here is double crochet. So you can see the comparison in the width. From single to double crochet, it is a little more wider than single crochet. Similarly, here I have double crochet, 4 rows for double crochet, and you can see the comparison from single crochet to half double crochet and double crochet. So this one is a little more wider than half double crochet, and obviously single crochet, it is almost like double the size in width. And this last one over here is treble crochet or triple crochet, and this is how the comparison look like with double crochet and the half double crochet and single crochet. So just a visual on how the stitches with same 4 rows done with a different set of stitches give a difference in width for you. So today we will learn a little complex stitch which is called front post double crochet and back post double crochet. So I will try to keep this slow and steady so that you can follow. So let's quickly look at the materials that we will use today. So for this tutorial I will be using the Karen 1 pound, which is a medium weight yarn, and I will be using a recommended hook size of 5 mm. So let's get started. We will start with chain 10. So we will do a slip stitch. The video link of slip stitch and how to do chains will be in the description box. I will do 12 chains. So 1, yarn over and pull through the chain loop on your hook, that creates a chain. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are our 12 chains, and if you are looking for a more slower version of how to do a chain and a tutorial, there is a video which I have done for a beginner level for how to do a chain and with a single crochet. I will post the link down in the description box. You can follow that. Now let's start with row 1. Row 1 will be simple double crochet row. So we will go ahead and from the third chain on the hook, that is 1, 2, and this is the third chain from the hook, we will do a double crochet. So we will yarn over, go through the third stitch from the hook, yarn over, pull through that stitch, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. So this is a double crochet. We will go ahead and do 1 double crochet each in all of the remaining stitches. How to do a double crochet, there is a detailed video I have done in the beginner sessions. So if you are looking for more detailed video, you can go and have a look there, but this is double crochet. I have shown a little bit slower version for the first stitch, and we will go ahead and complete the row with double crochets, and I will see you at the end of this row. So here we are. I have completed the row with double crochets, and you will count your stitches. You should have 10 stitches, 10 double crochet stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So now we will go ahead and start with our second row, which we will do a front post double crochet. So when we say front post, so we need to know what is post. So if you see these stitches over here, these are called post. So this width of one stitch over here, this is called a post. So if I can show you like this, so all the stitches that you are seeing here, these are referred to as post. Okay, so here we have 10 posts for 10 double crochet stitches. Now we have chained 2 and we have turned our work. So we will start working in these posts. Okay, so in order to have a front post double crochet, what you will do is you will yarn over as we do for double crochet. Instead of going in the stitch, we will put our crochet hook through this post so that the post is in the front of the crochet hook. We will yarn over and pull a loop through, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this is called front post double crochet. So if you see, it creates a effect of a bulging stitch over here. I will do this one more time with you. So yarn over, and now in the next post that you see over here, we will put our crochet hook through this post, yarn over and pull through the loop. At this time, similar to double crochet, you will have 3 hooks, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. So this is your front post double crochet. Let's do it together one more time. Yarn over. This is the next post right over here. You go through the post so that it is on the top of your hook like this. Yarn over and pull a loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, and yarn over, then pull through the next 2 loops. So you can see we have created 3 front post stitches over here. I will go ahead and do the complete row with front post stitches, and I will see you at the end of the row. Alright, so we have completed the row of front post. So when you are done with the row, this is how it looks from the front, and when you turn your work, this is how it will look at the back. So if you see, there is this bulge line that you will see. It can be a pattern that can be part of your any project. So this is how it looks for front post double crochet. We will do one more row for front post double crochet. So I will chain 2 again. Now if you are able to see, these are the posts that we have. Okay, so we will go ahead, yarn over, go through this post like this. From the back it will be something like this, so that you are going from under something, and yet this post is over your hook. And then yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2, and yarn over, pull through the second 2. So this is how a front post double crochet is done. Yarn over, and I will go ahead and finish this row and see you at the end of the row. Alright, so I went ahead and I did 4 rows of front post double crochet, and this is how it will look. So if you keep on doing front post double crochet on each row, this is the pattern that you will see on your crochet work. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for today. In the next video we will look through how to do a back post double crochet, and we will see the difference on both the projects, how the back post and double crochet looks like. uh, so thank you very much for watching today. I hope you liked the video, and if you like my video tutorials, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.